Starting around 20 September 2023, Algorand essentially is exchanging at $0.099 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.47%. In truly most recent 60 minutes, kind of genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking amazingly. Algo especially has an all-out market cap of $777,647,587, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,273,709, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. This especially makes Algorand, Algo, essentially beautiful positioning at 45 in the digital currency market, in an exceptionally kind of huge manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Algorand generally in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2023, which certainly is very huge. Is Algorand a wise venture or very worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Algo value sort of outperform its record-breaking sort of extremely high in an unpretentious manner, which is very huge? These most certainly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a sort of essentially significant manner, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost in every way that really matters is supposed to basically cross a normal value level of 12 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to fundamentally be 12 cents, or so they all things considered thought. Besides, Algo can for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 13 cents in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. Algorand value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Algorand could fundamentally stretch around 11 cents, kind of sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 is 10 cents with a typical cost of 11 cents. Extremely beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand fundamentally is supposed to sort of be at around a kind of by and large least of 11 cents, or so they for the most part thought, or so they thought. Algorand cost can sort of arrive at a reasonably exceptionally limit of 12 cents, with the for the most part genuinely normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Algorand value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand generally is supposed to truly be at around a very least of 11 cents in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Algorand cost can for the most part by and large arrive at a fundamentally limit of 12 cents, with the truly normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, showing that this generally for the most part makes Algorand, Algo, in every practical sense, all things considered, positioning at 45 in the cryptographic money market, which basically is very critical incredibly. Algorand value forecast November 2023. The cost of Algorand basically is for the most part truly anticipated to for the most part truly reach at a truly least worth of 12 cents in November 2023. Very further appearance how Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand sort of is truly anticipated to sort of reach at a kind of least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, which explicitly really is very critical. The Algo cost could explicitly in a real sense arrive at a by and large greatest worth of 13 cents, with the all things considered, normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand, Algo, value figure December 2023. For December 2023. The cost of Algorand explicitly fundamentally is for the most part anticipated to in every practical sense generally arrive at a kind of truly normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of 13 cents and in every way that really matters, lovely least of 12 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Algorand pass cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Algorand's cost for the most part, as shown in every practical sense, great increment of 2.31% in the very truly most recent 24 hours, which essentially in every practical sense is very critical, which is genuinely huge. From most recent 7 days the Algo generally explicitly was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 9.38% in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand basically has shown areas of strength for truly genuinely potential of late. And this could be excellent chance to dive right in, and especially in a real sense, put resources into an unobtrusive way without a doubt. Inside the quite most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo in every way that really matters basically diminished by 57.823%, taking out an incredible by and large normal amount of 14 cents from its extremely current worth in a truly significant manner in a significant way. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin fundamentally basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally especially be a fundamentally decent actually basically purchase an open door for exceptionally speedy venture. So also Algo can for the most part truly arrive at a truly greatest value level of 13 cents, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change especially explicitly is near 59.36%, and the cost for the most part coursed from a fundamentally in every practical sense least lovely normal cost of 23 cents to sort of lovely greatest pretty by and large normal cost of 25 cents. In the reasonably fundamentally beyond 90 days, showing that this unexpected down sort of truly implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a kind of good, essentially purchase a potential open door for sort of speedy speculation. So also Algo can basically generally arrive at a most extreme value level of 13 cents, which certainly generally is genuinely huge, or so they thought. Algorand fundamentally is somewhere near 46.88% with the very greatest extremely normal cost of the coin in every practical sense was around 17 cents, and the base certainly sort of normal cost of for the most part was around 16 cents in all things considered, recent months, most certainly really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand value figure 2023 facts what will in every practical sense be Algorand fundamentally all things considered worth in 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. The Algo cost truly is estimated to arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of 13 cents, with by and large especially least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, which for the most part shows that this unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin for the most part in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of explicitly be an excellent in a real sense, generally purchase a valuable open door for certainly fundamentally speedy venture. So besides Algo can truly arrive at a most extreme value level of 13 cents in an especially significant manner in an unobtrusive way. Does Algorand especially have a future? Or so they explicitly essentially thought. As far as value, Algorand generally has an extraordinary sort of potential to arrive at new levels in a sort of significant manner by and large. It explicitly is figure that Algo will increment in esteem in a fundamentally significant way in a significant manner. As indicated by genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts, Algorand can especially generally raise a ruckus around town. The most exorbitant cost of $3.93 till 2030. Is Algorand especially worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly